Hello Thya Techies. Welcome to part 1 of our brand new Dataset Deep Dive series. Today, we are going to look into the sharing functionality made available to you on the Thya Tech platform. Before we begin, please note that this tutorial assumes you already have a dataset ready to be shared with others. If you haven't created a dataset yet, please refer to our video on how to get started with object detection, which can be accessed in the top right corner or in the description below. Alright, so you have a dataset and you want to share it with others. First, access your dataset by selecting My Datasets, and then click on your dataset. Here, you'll want to focus on the Share With panel and select View All in orange. And here you'll see that Thya Tech allows you to share your dataset in 3 different ways. Select the arrow to open the dropdown, and you'll see you can make someone an editor, which grants them editing rights to your dataset. Or you can make someone an annotator, which grants them annotating rights. And lastly, you can make someone a viewer, which grants them viewing rights. And now we'll discuss each of them in detail. The editor role must be selected to grant editing rights. Editors have the highest level of access and can add or delete images from the dataset. They can also annotate images, making it convenient for collaborative annotation tasks. Editors have also the ability to clone datasets, linking them to their own projects for further modification and analysis. This option is ideal when you're collaborating with others on a project. Now the annotator role. The annotator role must be selected to grant annotating rights. Annotators have limited access to your dataset and can only annotate images within the dataset. They cannot make any changes to the dataset structure, nor add or delete any images. This level of access is suitable when you want to involve others in the annotation process without compromising the dataset's integrity. The last option, Viewer, is to grant viewing rights to your dataset. Viewers have the most restricted access level. They can only view the dataset and its contents. This level of access is appropriate when you want to share your dataset for reference or for demonstration purposes. And yes, those are all the sharing options available to you. Now I'd like to remind you they can only share datasets with people who have Thya Tech accounts. Once they have their account created, you only need to write their name on the sharing screen where it says Search Users or Collaborators to share your dataset. So if their name is Bob Smith, you only need to write Bob Smith, press the search button, and select their profile. This is instead of having to use emails or anything like that. Your collaborators will receive an email notification indicating that a dataset has been shared with them, and the dataset will automatically be added to their dataset list. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sharing and collaborating on datasets. I hope this information helps you effectively collaborate with others and maximizes the potential of your datasets. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Happy analyzing!